Welcome to the Yukon, North 61. I hope you're staying safe. We've been doing a lot of hiking, trying to get in shape again. Going up a place called Heckle Hill every couple of days. And right now we're hitting a nun hunting time of year. And we're going to do some wilderness trips. We've been told not to go too far into the backcountry in case somebody has to come save us, so we have to be a little bit careful. Because in this coronavirus, people don't want to take any risks. So I understand that, and we'll try to respect that. So, what rifles do we use in the summer season? So first of all, what is the big use of a rifle in the summer? I'm not a bear hunter. However, I don't want to be eaten by a bear. So one of the most important functions of a firearm to take hiking, canoeing, is the ability to be a good bear defense. So here's 3 potential rifles, and I'll explain to some of the features that I really like to have in my summer rifles. One of the most important pieces is lightweight, so that you can actually carry it with you, and also handy and compact. So this is the lightest firearm of these. This is 6 pounds 7 ounces, under 6.5 pounds. This is a 375 big bore 94, and it's 6 rounds. Carries 6 rounds, and it's really got great ergonomics for repeat shots. It's really great. Very low recoil. Whole family can use this firearm, so that's an advantage of this because it doesn't recoil very bad. The next lightest is this Remington 600, and this one is 6 pounds 7 ounces. This one was 6 pounds 5 ounces. This one's 6 pounds 7 ounces, and it's the shortest. This is about a yard long. It's 37 inches long. The problem with it, only 3 rounds. It's got 3,500 foot-pounds as opposed to 2,500 foot-pounds, so definitely more power. But I'm probably the only person in the family that can shoot it because it kicks so bad. So that's a problem, because it might be somebody saving me, and also the short round count also hurts it. This is a Savage 99 featherweight. So it's 6 pounds 14 ounces, so it's 7 ounces heavier than this rifle, 9 ounces heavier than this rifle. So it's another half a pound, which isn't too bad. It's quite long at 42 inches. And this is in .358 Winchester, which is 3,000 foot-pounds. So basically you got 2,500 foot-pounds, 3,000 foot-pounds, 3,500 foot-pounds in these firearms. This one will carry 5 rounds. And a nice rotary magazine. So to some extent it depends what trip I'm taking, but most of my trips, believe it or not, I'm taking this little guy here. You need to get something in action fast. For whatever reason, this seems to get into action a lot faster than a scoped rifle, bolt rifle. It's handy, it's got great balance, it's got great repeat shots. It's got a lot of penetrating power. So despite the fact that it doesn't have the most foot-pounds, it shoots a heavy bullet slow. Really penetrates well. And that penetration, I think, is really important, because to kill a bear instantly, you want to do a brain or central nervous system hit. This will do it. Probably just as well or better than these others, and certainly better repeat shots. So what you're really looking for is a fighting carbine, and I think this old traditional Winchester 94, for me, is the way to go for me and my family this summer. First shot. Did you get it?
No.
Too bad. I hit one of those little discs 100 yards per shot. This is a really nice sight setup. I really like this sight setup. With the sourdough front, which is super visible. And it's a very nice gun to shoot offhand. Oh, it almost hit the chicken. Yeah, really nice. I think that's a 200-yard moose gun. Maybe 150.